In this video, I want to teach you how to create thumbnail for your videos, especially YouTube videos. If you are a YouTuber or a beginner, you should already know that your thumbnail is so important, and in creating these thumbnails, you have to pay attention so that you create an eye-catchy, click-worthy thumbnail. So let me show you how you can do that. Without further ado, let's go to Canva. So when you come to Canva, you see this search bar, you search here thumbnail. I've already done that, and you see series of thumbnails that are created. So for instance, if you like something like this, you are going to click on it and then click on customize. So when you click on customize, this one is going to open for you. Then make sure your picture is handy, is available, is ready, because what you are going to do here is just to replace the write-up and place your picture. If you are a YouTuber that likes to put your picture, then this is for you. Then if you don't like to put your picture, maybe it's a picture of what you are talking about. Maybe you are talking about the president of the United States of America. Maybe you are talking about things happening in Africa or anywhere. You get the picture of the person or the thing you are talking about and fix here. As you can see, I am using the free version of Canva. I'm using the free version to teach you this so that if you are doing it with your free version, you should be able to do it. Now you have to go and locate a picture. Let's take a picture of anybody. Let's take the picture of this man. I won't mention his name, but I'll just type and then go to image, select image, and get that image. So let's say we are taking this first image, or just locate any image that you feel can fly. So allow the image to load. If you don't allow this image to load and you just go ahead downloading, you are going to download the lower version. So allow it to load and then click on save image. Then you are going to save it to your system. So this is it. I'm just going to click on save and to save. So the next thing I have to do is to click on, I'm teaching you two things now. How to remove background, remove BG, remove .bg, remove .bg. That's a free software online that helps people to remove background. So the only difference is just that it's going to give you the lower version of that picture, but that's no problem. So what you need to do at this point is just to drag and drop this image. So the image is here already. You don't need to log into this. So drag it here and leave it, and the picture is going to load. And once it's done, the background will be removed. So it's getting ready. It's getting ready. Just give you a few minutes. The background is removed already. So from here, you can even continue editing with Canva, but you need the pro version. So, but without the pro version, this is just what you need to do. So you do it like this, and then it will remove the background for you. Just allow it to load. It's still hanging. So once it's done, you'll be able to download the image, and it's telling you that this is for you to get the higher quality you are going to go that. So it's downloaded already. So you come back to your Canva, and then you are going to bring back that image. My system is telling me I'm offline, so I'm just going to bring this image here. Okay, bring this image. The image is loaded, and this is the image here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to replace the image. So come to your uploads, and you're going to see the image. Come to your upload. You see the image here. This is the image. Why is it not showing? You can go ahead and let me bring the previous one, because this one is having issues loading. So I'll just load this one, and then once the background is removed, you just come here, drag it, and replace this particular image. You see it's staying the same style. If I have the pro version, I'll just click on here and it will remove it instantly. I don't need to go to this software to do it for me. So let's stay here again. Okay, so now I'll download it again because of network. We're going to redo it again. So we download this version. It's downloaded now. You go back here again, and then we'll bring this downloaded version. We click here and then load in this downloaded version. So you see it doesn't have background. So when it is done, the same thing you did, drag it over, drag it from here to here, and then you see that you have the image of this man without a background. Then you change your writing here, change whatever you want to write, and after that you go ahead and export. How do you export it? You first of all rename it here if you want to rename it. So come to this upside, rename it to what you want it to be. Okay, then come to share. You will now see download. Click on the download button. Now ensure it's on JPEG. Ensure it's on JPEG as JPG. Then just go ahead and download, and that is all. Your thumbnail is ready for your YouTube. Okay, so let's go back here again. You can scroll up to see the ones that suit what you are talking about, or the one that you know will grab attention. So instead of you to spend time thinking of what to do, how to get videos of how to get pictures for your thumbnail, the best thing for you to do is to come to Canva and then go through it and see everything that is here. Look for the one that best suits what you're talking about, and then click on download. If maybe you need something that is catchy that you need to pay for, you can look for how to pay for Canva Pro and then get the license and begin to create your thumbnails without issues. You just saw in this tutorial, it didn't take us up to 3 minutes. We're able to create what we want to create. So guys, this is it. If you have not subscribed to this channel, ensure you subscribe now so that you begin to get top-notch tutorials from me on tech and how to go about everything AI, whether it's YouTubing, whether it's Facebooking, whether it's Instagramming or TikToking. I'm going to teach you all of those things, how to go about them. So subscribe right now so that you don't miss out on my next video. Thank you for watching.